G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. I've since been communicating with the guy who made the video to scope circuit, 256-byte RAM on YouTube. Yeah, he's made some modifications to circuit design, which can be seen here, and I've done some notations to the original one to make it easy for me to make the mods. So there's a little bit of rewiring, change of resistors and that sort of thing. He's added a couple of 10k pots to adjust the vertical and horizontal size, which I've added, and yeah, had to do a bit of rewiring underneath. And yeah, I've done all those mods that he suggested, and now we're getting something a little bit more interesting on display, but still no picture as of yet. Just the circuit is indeed reacting to what the little CCD camera is picking up. I'm getting a very interesting looking waveform, but yeah, still no picture as of yet. So yeah, I'll be doing some further communication with him and see what other bugs need to be ironed out with this circuit. I've sort of yeah, been tinkering around with the sync control. Which does make some changes. I expand the waveform out horizontally a little bit, and can't get much higher on the vertical scale, but yeah, adjusting the sync, this is what I get. A sloped waveform, pretty much slightly similar to the original, with the sync adjusted down a bit. Yep, still no picture as of yet. Just the sync back to where I had it before, and just the divisions back. Hold on, wrong adjustment. There we are. So I've got that back now. Horizontal width adjustments. And doing the vertical adjustment. There is not much action there. Just in the vertical divisions. Yep, don't seem to be getting much vertical adjustment, so I wonder if there's still some problems lying within that region. Okay. Well, that's the latest update on this video to scope project. Still yet to get a picture, but I believe I'm making some progress. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.